Bunq is an AI bank. It's one of the biggest digital banks in Europe. We exist for more than 10 years now, and we have more than 10 million customers.
The added value doing a hackathon internally at a company comes from two different sides. First side is internal enablement of the technical and business teams by teaching them how to work with Google Cloud Platform to build generative AI or AI use cases in general. From the business side, they get to learn how to think about use cases that involve generative AI and how they can go from a business objective to an actual use case.
Hackathons are very intense. You can see that people come up with some amazing results in a very short time span.
We always encourage companies to bring both business people and technical people, because then we get to see which problems actually need solving at a company, and we try to quantify the benefits as well as implement a small prototype. And so that gives us both the feasibility as well as the added business value in just 2 days' time.
So Devoteam made sure that all participants had access to Gemini, which is the language model offered by Google. We didn't have to take care of all the difficult technical stuff in the background. So it was great. It was great to have a reliable partner like Devoteam.